The force of gravity is called, it is an attractive force. It attracts objects towards itself. It does not repel. The force of gravity acts on all objects. We know it. The force of gravity acts on all of us all the time without being aware of it. We don't know that gravity is acting on things around, but it is acting every time. So example they have given, there are many other examples. Water flows towards the ground. When you throw a water, it moves from one place to another. This happens because of gravity. And the water will move only when one place is at high level, another is at low level. So gravity is not the property of the earth alone. Every object in the universe, whether small or large, exerts a force on every other object. This is called the gravitational force. Gravitational force does not mean only gravity of the earth. Gravitational force is the gravitational force of attraction. This law you will read in 9th class. It was given by Newton, which is called Newton's law of gravitation. His law states that every two objects in the universe are attracted towards each other by a force which is called the gravitational force. So this gravitational force is being taught here, and it is not the gravitational force of the earth. It is the gravitational force which acts between any two bodies, whether they are of the earth, whether they are outside the earth. It could be two tables, it could be any two objects. So they have some force of attraction which pulls them towards each other. Now the question arises, if they are pulled, then why don't two chairs which are kept near go and stick to each other? So this happens, this was explained by Newton, that this is because of the gravitational force, and this happens because of the size of the object. Two objects which will have a very big size, they only will be pulled towards each other, like the size of the earth. Earth and moon are pulled towards each other because of their size. Objects which we see around us, they are not of big size, therefore they do not attract or they stick to each other. Clear?